again on Saturday night, but also a Super Farm Turbo to go along with it. So we're just about ready to get rolling here with the Super Farm competition here. Of course, we're going to bring the smoke tube into action here for the first time, and Leslie Mearson's making her way down to the starting line here. Got a little bit to tell you about that smoke tube here as we get rolling here tonight.
So the smoke tube is very unique here for the National Farmers and Ranchers Championship Tractor Pull, and it's a multitude of layers underneath there. It starts with the pipe itself, then it gets covered in saran wrap, and after that, it gets 3 layers of duct tape, a layer of rubber, another layer of saran wrap, and 3 more layers of duct tape. And that's to ensure that that pipe doesn't burst under all the pressure or the smoke that's inside that chrome stack from the hustler upon exit. All in all, 600 rolls of duct tape helping keep this together so we can pull inside tonight with some clean air.
Taking 24, that is such a tough job for our committee here at the Championship Tractor Pull. All right, so looks like we've got the International fired up down there, the International 1486 here at 93 pound Super Farm competition, the tractor out of Iowa, Rutland, Iowa, in the northeast corner of the Hawkeye State. So he's going to be our first up down the track here tonight. We got to ask, where's our international fans tonight? You guys out there with fans? Let's see if they can do it here tonight out of the state of Tennessee, Smithville, Tennessee, down there just east of the Nashville area. All right, where's our John Deere fans tonight? Come on, Green! Got that on his mind here tonight. Wants to put this tractor deep into this top of this class here tonight. Make sure that he makes it to the finals. Of course, we're giving away that Apex Turbo, the winner on Saturday night, to go along with the big check here tonight, the Championship Tractor Pull. So Dave Whalen, Tipton, Michigan, the International 1066. During the week, he's a livestock broker. On the weekend, he goes tractor pull. And here we go, a tough run in red room out of the state of Michigan. Tractor he calls Rasa here tonight. Once again, modified tractors will follow and the pro stock will take us home here tonight. Our 4 classes here in section number 1. Remember also, fans, tomorrow morning, 9 a.m., the pits open up over there at Broadbent Arena. Make sure you get on over there and check out all these vehicles up close and personal. Maybe get your picture with your favorite puller, favorite driver. We've got a lot of brand new equipment being debuted here this weekend, so you want to get over there and get some pictures. All right, looks like we're ready to go. This Bucks leave on South Bear Road, Michigan, on the starting line. And Michael Vincent, number 6.
sixth position. The hot shot seeker. 12 Gold League champion Cooper. Number 6 in that him right there. If you look down the list here this evening, there are 15 states represented here tonight. And over the course of this week, I believe we have 18 and several that make their way from Canada as well to compete here with us. Over the course of our championship track, the whole 4 sessions of preliminary qualifying.
Now, Miles, as I take a look behind me here in the women's corner, it's awful red right now. Let's see if we can get one of them green ones. What do you think, John, your fans? They'll like to see a green one in the corner. Let's cheer them on. At 230.53 to make it into the finals. And right now to take the win, 243.34. And John here, Terry Roberts, right now is at number 1 spot. So we're going to spot that sled a little bit right of center out here. Going to try a little bit different lane. And we talked to Michael Stepp a little earlier. He said that track's going a little bit to the left. His way into that top 4 here tonight. As we see behind us, the Casey tractor is a little bit toasty right now. She got a little warm. She got to lean on it. You want to make the championship finals. That's what it's all about. Making it this Saturday night. All right, here we go. The Thunderstruck.
Here at the track board.
Leader Jeremy Roberts, 243.34. Brad Woods, number 2, 241 and 16.6. Matt Casey, number 3, with a whooping maker at 238 and 92. And your bubble, my last excuse, David Whelan, Tipton, Michigan at 237 and 78. Runs in the trucking business. Third in the NCBA Grand National Cup to win in Rockwell, Iowa. But not doing your grind. He is the man in the team.
So Miles had a trackside report there of the Arlen tractor, the 19 tractor that hit a fire out there. Actually, when the tractor dropped to the ground as hard as it did, actually broke the fuel line out. That was leaking out there, and the tractor got that under control, that fire out there. So here we go. Holy smokes out of Minnesota.